How's it going, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at another product, another microphone by the brand Comica. This was provided to me by the people over at VC Mall. You can check them out on Amazon, see the link in the description. This here is a dual-headed lav mic, which this is not it. This is just this is the Rode one I use regularly. And this should be a pretty good product if you're doing an interview kind of situation, or you've got two people wanting to record onto the same video track. So let's pop this open and see what we've got. Comes in this snazzy little zipper pouch, and when you undo that, we've got a couple little wind socks. We've got a smartphone adapter, which that's pretty cool. I hope it works. They even provide you with a GoPro adapter, which will hook up a mini USB to a TRS kind of plug. And then there's this massive pile of cords that is the actual microphone setup itself. You've got a standard 3.5mm plug on the end, and then there are two wires that go to two separate lav mics. And these cables are crazy long. In fact, let's get you an actual measurement. The cables are 2.5 meters long, so that's around 8 feet. That seems about right. So the total cable length is 16 feet, so your subjects could be sitting 16 feet apart from one another, each of them 8 feet away from the device you're recording to, whether that's an external recorder, a smartphone, a GoPro, or your standard camera. Just plug it right into the side. So I'm going to go ahead and hook these up to my smartphone and let you guys hear the difference between this Rode Smart Lav and these microphones here. And then I'm going to compare the internal mic of the A6500 to these, see if they're much of an improvement. I'm going to be using the smartphone adapter to plug into my Galaxy S8. I'm just using a generic voice recording app to record the audio. Okay, sorry for the intermission, but this audio that you're hearing right now is actually the Rode Smart Lav. I don't think I had it plugged in all the way to my cell phone, so all the audio in this video up to this point has been just recorded on the Galaxy S8 as it was sitting at my feet. So that's pretty impressive, to say the least. Anyways, back to the video. Alright, I'm now recording on the Comica mic, so this is what it sounds like. I didn't put it underneath my shirt because I'm not getting all wired up to do a long bit with this. But I did notice that the microphone has got a much heavier cord than the Rode Smart Lav does, so it feels heavier on your neck. It feels like it's pulling my shirt down a little bit more than the other one there. I think it's bigger in every dimension compared to the Rode Smart Lav. I feel like this is just, I can't win. It's a little heavy. I don't know how the audio quality sounds yet, but that's kind of a con. This is like stupid lightweight. This is not. So that gives you a quick little comparison of the Rode Smart Lav to the Comica CVM-D02. So now I'm going to unplug the Rode Video Micro and record a little bit of audio, just me talking to the camera. Then I'm going to plug in the Comica microphone here. So right now you're hearing the audio from the Rode Video Micro, and I'm going to unplug that and let you hear the raw A6500 audio at, I'm about 6-7 feet away from the camera right now. I'm going to let you guys hear the audio straight out of the camera, and then I'm going to plug the Comica lav mic in and let you guys hear what that sounds like. So now this is the A6500 in-camera microphone. I'm not recording to anything else except the A6500, so if the audio levels aren't quite right, I'll boost them in post to get them to kind of match. But now I'm going to plug in the Comica and we'll see what that sounds like. So I'm just going to hold this microphone up to my chest because the cables are spanning quite a long ways to the camera over there, and that's going to like pull my shirt off. So I'll just talk like this. This is the Comica microphone, and this is just one of them. I don't know what the second one's going to pick up. This probably isn't the ideal situation. And this is what it sounds like when I'm talking into both of them at the same time. Is there any difference? Any like slight offset in how fast it records back? Or can you even tell any difference at all? It'll be interesting to know. So check out the links in the description if you're interested in a microphone setup like this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.